Now let's get started to work with the data flow task to export some data from a database table to a flat file. So firstly, we drag the data flow task from the toolbox onto our panel. And then we go to the data flow tab and use the source assistant. So we're gonna use the SQL Server and select the new. So most of you are gonna use your local host. So just click the input dot and then select a database. I'll use the AdventureWorks. You can use whatever you want. Then click OK. After that, you double click your task, and then this dialog gonna show up. So here you could select the table or view. If you want to select the table, you can just select what you want from the drop-down box. Or you can use the SQL command, build the SQL and add table. Here what I want to use is the customer. Let me see. Yeah, it's the customer, it's the employee table. Then I click add. Okay, add too many. So I remove it. You can see there are a lot of different columns, but what I'm interested in is the first 5. Okay. And then you can see we just build up our SQL sentence by click and select. So what we are doing right now is just like coding. Then I can just write the as, create the alias there. Then you can see the SQL has been changed. So I don't need that. So delete it. It comes back. Then I click OK. And I'll see the column. Yeah, just the 5 columns that I want. You can use the preview to look at the preview query result. Click OK. And then let's find some destination task. So we want to export it to a flat file destination. A flat file destination and connect them. Double click it, find a connection, we use the delimited, and we can browse to find the file name. The file name, what I want to use is the destination, what we did for the last video, in the last video. And then delimited the header. We can show the column's name in the first row or not. Here I don't want to show it. Then the columns, we can just verify it. And let's click OK. Then we'll go to the mapping. The mapping means how to map the input column to the output column. Because we don't include the column name, so we need to just mapping it. Actually, we can use the drag and the arrow here like this. Okay, you can see when we drag the arrow, we drag the lines, the input columns has been changed. Click OK. So let's go back to the control flow and let's connect them together. So remember the file system task is copy a txt file to our destination folder. So this is our previous copy file. And then currently what the data flow task gonna do is append the remaining rows or append every rows from the database table at the end of our copy file. So let's execute them. It works, and let's check. This is our destination file. So it's not what we want. Let's go back to see what happened. I shouldn't click the override data. This is our original file. And this is our copy file. You can see it appending all those lines from the database table at the end of our previous text file. Okay,